Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off Windows startup sounds on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Open that up, and then select the View By up at the top right, and select Large Icons. And then you want to proceed to go down and select Sound. And now that we are in here, select the Sounds tab. And there should be an item that says Play Windows Startup Sound down here at the bottom. If that's checkmarked, you want to go ahead and uncheck that and select Apply and OK to then turn it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.